Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that came all the way from United Kingdom, and of course it is very obvious it came from the Iron Heart in UK. The story of this item is that I ordered this item last week and it immediately arrived in my address in about 5 days, because this item needed some hemming, and that's the reason why it took an extra 2 days for this item to be sent, and I was able to receive it, and we're going to unbox this item. So you see this, the brown bag, the usual brown bag of Iron Heart coming from the United Kingdom. And there are so many questions about ordering from Iron Heart. I received a question wherein somebody asked if I was able to pay some taxes or import duties. And if this item is sent to my forwarding address in Los Angeles, California, I don't need to pay any duties, import duties, or any taxes for that matter. So we're going to open this bag. And I have here the chino or pants made of whipcord. I just ordered a shirt from Iron Heart. This is made of whipcord, and I was impressed of the quality of the material. And when this item was released in their website, I immediately ordered this kind of fabric. This is the whipcord, and this will be my third Iron Heart in whipcord fabric. So I had it hemmed to 29 inches because my experience in having my pants or jeans hemmed in Iron Heart, Tokyo, Japan, I found out that the size inseam 29 inches is suited for my body and suited for my legs. So we have a khaki, colored khaki for the whipcord, and this is the IH pants 720. It came all the way from UK. The actual waist measurement is 33 inches, and it really fits to my waist as per experience from I had when I visited in Iron Heart, Tokyo, Japan. The tag size is 32. So if you go to the size description, you will see that the tag size is 32. However, the actual waist size is 33 inches. And this was taken care of by James from Iron Heart. So you have the waist, 33 inches. Of course, the front rise is, I think, 11 inches. The back rise is 14.5 inches. And you have a maybe thigh of 12 inches, the knee of 8 inches, and you have almost 8 inches as the opening for the leg. You have a nice slanting front pocket. You have 2 pockets in front. You have 2 pockets at the back. Well, of course, with the nice button. By the way, this is zipper ply, and the weight of this is 11 ounces per square yard. I got the remaining inseam which I cut, and later on we will go to the fit video. By the way, the price of this item is $339, and if you multiply it by the currency exchange for the Philippines, it will amount to 20,000 pesos. So yeah, this is a good buy, and we will now go to the fitting video. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day. Bye.